How to delete Roblox account permanently. First, you want to simply go to your Roblox website from the browser over here, and inside your Roblox website you want to simply search for Roblox support over here. After that, you'd be able to see a lot of articles over here. You want to simply go on Roblox account or any other kinds of article over here. You want to simply tap on one of the option over here. After that, you want to simply search for an support page over here, and once you see a customer support, you want to simply tap on customer support, and by doing so you'd be able to see a page which will look something like this. Here you want to simply provide all of your informations, your username, first name, email address, and your confirmation email address as well. After that, you want to simply address your issue over here, and you want to simply make sure that you provide all the details why you want to delete your account, and you want to simply request a permanent account deletion over here. And once you make that request, you'd be able to follow any kinds of verification instruction from Roblox after that, and you'd be able to proceed your account deletion process from here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.